Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a butterfly knife out of popsicle sticks. What you'll need: an X-Acto knife, a paper clip, scissors, and 5 popsicle sticks. So I've already done it, but start with cutting like this for your blade. Like this. And with the drill, just drill a small hole. With all of them, drill a small hole. I'd recommend two behind the blade and 2 in front of the blade. Like this, kind of. Like I'd recommend like this. It's easier to drill like that. So, with your paper clip, unfold it so it's a line. And then, what you do after that is you get your popsicle sticks with holes in them. You gotta remember to put the paper clip in. And like this. And then once it's in like that, bend it like that. With this one, you bend it the same way. The scissors may take a few tries, depending on how sharp yours are. There we go. Or and then you have this. I can't spin it because I don't have that much skill. And you'll just want to fasten it, Scotch tape or something. Give me 1 second. And now you're back with Scotch tape. Just get a small amount. That's all you need, just a bit. And then get 2 of the popsicle sticks that are on the same side and fasten them together. Like this. Fasten them together. And if you actually don't get a small bit, get a little more. So, gotta fasten it. And there we go. We have the butterfly knife that collapses and extends. So, hope you liked it. Please like, subscribe, and put on the bell for new notifications. And try making it yourself. You can also color it in, which is also pretty cool. So, yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Bye.